What do you reckon, buddy? Yeah, we don't have any more sunflower seeds for you, son.
Ooh. Back on my trampoline thingy. Why are you looking at me?
He's looking at you, asking if there's any more food. Hey, you want some more food, mate? Hey?
I want some more food.
We don't have any sunflowers, King. Oh, you're looking right at the camera, aren't you? See if you can put that up, see him. Hey? No, mate. You can't rely on us for tucker. Oh!
Is that how he yawns?
Hey? He's trying to tell you something. Hey?
Hey?
I think I can hear another king parrot around here.
Oh, I've heard of him.
Oi! Hey! Oh, that's a big yawn. Hey, mate.